Hello everybody, my name is Sean Riddick and I'm very excited to introduce my friend Bear Bear. Say hello, Bear Bear. Bear Bear is a children's series aimed to help with the building blocks of academic success for ages 1 to 4. The show is very simple. The main character, Bear Bear, goes on amazing adventures, meets new friends, and learn new lessons like opposites and how to share. I graduated from Community College of Philadelphia with a major in mass media, and now I'm taking online classes at Penn State for advertising. The idea of Bear Bear came from my brother Mike, and after working with children as a camp counselor, as a coordinator, as a coach, as a mentor, I felt like we could really bring this project to life. Well, that's all from me. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you tune in soon. Bear Bear, would you like to say anything?